Thokozani, this is Kotablamanzi in Tizagamatebula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you that are new, welcome to the family. And then those of you that have already subscribed, hi guys, I love you so much. And then thank you so much for subscribing, thank you for commenting, thank you for your love, thank you guys. And well, I'm back with the part 2 about dating a spiritually gifted woman. Mundulo pete lombethwe amakhehla. What to expect? How is the relationship going to be? What can you do if you are interested in a particular person? If you are interested, um if you're interested, good data na gogo's banban. I don't know which gogo you're interested in, but what you can expect, the pros and the cons of the relationship and whatnot, the like my behavior abo makhehla. So let's get started, guys. Well, I wanted to start dating a spiritually gifted woman or girl. Mundulo ombethwe amakhehla is not easy, guys. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. So sometimes when you are interested in such a person, or to maybe say niyaxoxa via a phone or via WhatsApp, so it's everything, it's going well, niyaphendulana, hello, hi, khamba njani, ini, like everything, it's nice and everything, it's wow, ubabli naye gogo kumnanzi nan. And then after 2 weeks after 2 weeks uyamtextela, hi, do silent, guys, no response. And then you're thinking, okay, what's happening? And then hi, it's hello, hi, kunjani, hi, ngiyaphila. And now accessing that thing, you say hi, hello, kunjani, ngiyaphila nami wena. No, sekuchintshile, like hi, hello. Or sometimes akasa answer nema calls ako, or akasa answer nema text ako. So like when you are interested in dating gogo, dating a spiritually gifted person, or mfati, or indombatane lelona lembethwe amakhehla, these are the things that you can expect, guys. Kuthi yebo kuhamba kahle, maybe namuhla vele okay fine, hi kunjani, ngimisbanibani in nani, everything explainela kumnanzi. Even tomorrow phone call, hi, hello, how's it going, yabona, it's fine, everything. And then out of the blue tick, she no longer answers your calls. She no longer I don't know, like she no longer seems interested, like, or like you're no longer getting the vibe that you were getting from the start. You understand? You're no longer getting the same vibe. So like nasekufika isikhathi lesinjalo, what you need to know ukuthi like nasekufika isikhathi lesinjalo, so sekuvelele omunye, sekuvelele elinye likhehla kuye. Yabona, and uthathe likhehla leli selivelile lijealous kakhulu, alifuni into leti ibheke eceleni, and lithanza kuba lodwana, like. So you when you get confused on the other end, what's happening, like everything was going well, bekangiphendula kahle, everything was flowing in and she seemed interested, although angisengakamtshelanga ukuthi okay ngiyamthanda and everything, but I've been saying that I like her in you understand. So yeah, shocked, okay, I'm confused, what's happening now? No, you need to know ukuthi sengene lomnye umkhulu, lomkhulu lo uyahlupha, lomkhulu lo akathanzi bantu. Umkhulu akathanzi bantu. So like change njalo, and then naye, like, what you also need to know ukuthi akade control uyacontroliwa guys, especially if kumntwana semandini. Like there's a different vibe there, there's a different vibe that you'll understand. So like I was actually okay fine, what do I need to do, because I've been trying to call her and everything, but akusahlangani ngenteni le wrong. I've been trying, I've been asking Gogo, yin, did I offend you Gogo, what's happening? And it's like you are busy texting man, texting, and let's just cut here. She's getting irritated guys, irritated, over more irritated the more you busy texting, the more you're busy calling. So in the lengelo uyati, if you are a guy or a man interested in such a woman or a girl, ne, if aqala actor in that manner, like step back guys, step back, ungapushi, and then uzame kumnika isikhathi aphefumule, or lelo khehla lize libuyele emuva, maybe kungenele elinye lelingcono understandable everything, ukuthi okay phela lo muntu lona usemhlabeni, fanele socialize, fanele athole umuntu or something, you understand? So you need to step back, pressurize, don't nag her, please. Don't be busy poking her, please. Because if you be poking like that, if you keep poking, next thing you're blocked. Next thing you get blocked. So you need to understand what's axilula dating a woman lo ombethwe amakhehla, because behavior yakhe it's no longer the same. Akasa behave the way beka behave ngakhona, like cause namhla uvuka angilona kusasa vuka ngiloyana, kusasa vuka ngiloyana, like it's difficult guys. And then naye uyazama ukuthi okay fine, atihlanganise, like angayekeli ukuthi everything kumcontrol to that to such an extent, but lesinye isikhathi you don't have a choice, cause nasekafikile lelo khehla lifuna into tayo ngaleyo ndlela, you cannot do anything, you can't do anything. So step back guys, when you are getting such a response, step back, take a back seat, step back, take a back seat, take a breather, and then wait. If umele yena abuye kuwe, if akabuyi kuwe guys, just know that if you're interested, please look for someone else. If akabuyi, look for someone else, cause akusiwakho. If kungukuthi umuntu wakho or someone that you are meant to be with, ne, she'll always come back. Hi, how are you, unjani? What's happening in nan. Yes, everything will be happening, you understand? Lelo khehla ngabe lifikile lingathanzi bantu and everything lelihluphako, uyabona? Mara yena by all means she will try at least, yabona, hey, good morning or something. But if you don't even get that good morning or how are you or sorry in nan, yabona, so that means Mugai, forget about Mugel, because Mugel aksiwakho, Mugel the bambegele wakhe bo lamakhehla. Labo gogo bambegele wakhe, so when you're just not. So you guys, it's not easy, because what I'm trying to say is like dating mundulo intombatane lembethwe amakhehla yahlupha kakhulu, kuyahlupha in such an extent yokuthi especially if you're not the right person for that particular person, you guys will be fighting every day. Every single day you'll be fighting, you will not get along in anything, you will disagree on everything. So these are the things that you need to expect if you are interested in dating a woman lombethwe amakhehla. Mnike isikhathi sakhe, mnike if yamthanda sometimes miyekele alide, because nabogogo nabo batobona ukuthi okay fine, uyamthanda to such an extent yokuthi uyamtrusta, you believe in her and everything. But if wena utofika ufike nabo malavidavi netinto tibheke eceleni, they're just gonna kick you out. So dating a spiritually gifted woman is not easy, guys. It's not easy. So thokozani, this is Kokota Blamanzi into Zagamatibula. Thokozani, guys.